After you've learned how to use your hands and use the four corners effectively, remembering that the forearms turn in, it's equally important to remember that the upper arms turn out. When you learn how to mold the fascia in this way, your shoulder blades move in and down the back, and that supports shoulders, elbows, wrists, and even your neck. Working with your ball to help release tightness in the forearm, which can create irritation in the carpal tunnel, you effectively hold the ball using the strength of the inner hand more, and you press between the bones of your forearms. So the ulna and the radius are here. You press, going laterally, side to side. Now, if you're really bound up and tight, this could feel like a lot. If you're tight, but you don't feel so much in doing that, then you can also use your own thumb and press a little more firmly. Having a friend, family member, or a massage therapist do this for you will help you to release issue with the carpal tunnel really quickly. I've seen it time and time again. So either with ball, your own thumb, or the thumb of a friend. Now, equally important on how the periphery serves the core also serves the periphery. When your shoulders are tight, especially right here, radiating up into here, you'll have issue with shoulders, elbows, wrist, and neck. An easy thing to do while you're at your desk is to go to the wall, turn your palm so it's facing up, and the first one is to have your hand straight out from your shoulder. While you press into the wall, take the innermost part of your shoulder back. When the inner part of the shoulder goes back, the inner part of the shoulder blade can engage in and down your back. Every time you lift your arm, the lift should come from the base of your shoulder blades rather than the top of the trapezius. If you do not feel much of a stretch here, and then turn more. If you start to feel numbness in your fingers, turn more towards the wall. Remember that the health of your shoulders is built on the steadiness of your core strength, while you keep the arch of your lower back steady. Your ribs knit and navel gently knits in, especially with every exhale. So anywhere from facing exactly at the wall, drawing the inner armpit back, bottom tip of the shoulder blade down and in, or turning. Even staying for just a couple of breaths many times throughout the day will help you tremendously. I have many students that do this every morning in the shower. After you've done this for some time with the hand at the same height as the collarbone, then you can go a little higher. With still strength and flexibility working together, hands engaged, inner armpits draw back. When you lift your arm, you lift with the fullness of your breath, you draw inner armpit back, so inner shoulder blade engages into your back, so that you're recruiting the muscles between your shoulder blades and the base of the tips of the shoulder blades, rather than the upper trapezius. Many times you'll need to open your arms wider to feel more free here. Anywhere from here to here, depending. Both arms at the same time. Thank you.